Every day we wake up and there's something new. Each sunrise brings a day of things to learn to do. Sometimes it's hard to learn on our own. It's no fun trying to do things when we're all alone. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
I don't think he heard us.
Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali. Baba Ali. Baba Ali. Can you hear us? Baba Ali.
Baba Ali!
Wa alaikum salam.
He heard us, alhamdulillah.
What are you doing, Baba Ali?
Oh, you're watching TV.
How long have you been watching TV?
Wow, that's a long time. Yeah, 2 hours of TV is a long time.
Why don't you do something else now?
What do you think he can do? I don't know.
Do you have any books?
Yeah, read a book. That's a great idea.
Why don't you get a book to read?
Yay, he got a book to read. Good job, Baba Ali. MashaAllah.
Bismillah.
MashaAllah. You remember to say Bismillah. Good job, MashaAllah.
Oh, but look. Maybe that book is too hard for him. I think he doesn't understand what he's reading.
Baba Ali, can you understand what you're reading?
That's okay.
Why don't you get a book that you can read?
Yeah, it would be more fun to read an easier book. Yeah, that one looks better.
Good job, MashaAllah.
It looks like a very good book. It's about a boy named Bilal.
Baba Ali, the book is upside down.
What, the book is upside down? You can't read it upside down. That's better.
Now you can read the book. It's better for you to use your time wisely. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ would always use his time wisely.
Remember to always use your time wisely.
Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali.
Wa alaikum salam.
Enjoy your book. Happy reading.
If Baba Ali can do it, so can you. Why be afraid of trying something new? We need someone we trust standing near, someone we know to give a rousing cheer. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.